For this project, I'm going to show you how to add a magnetic snap to your bag projects. It's a very easy thing to do, and they had a lot of pizzazz to your bag. Now, what I'm trying to emulate here would be to add a magnetic snap to a flap of your bag. What you need, of course, is the flap, and you need the front of your bag. You would also need, as tools, a tailor's awl, which I have here, and a seam ripper. Additionally, you would need your magnetic snaps. I'm just going to show you how they come and what they look like. Here is the female part of your magnetic snap. It's got a little circular incision. And this is the male part of your magnetic snap with a little stud at the front. You would also receive two back ends. This is to set the magnetic snap in place. And as you can see, there is a circle in the middle of the back end and two rectangle cuts on the side of it. To start off with, what you want to do if your fabric is quite light is to attach a piece of fusible fleece at the back of it, which I've already done. Your next step will be to take one of the back ends here, and what you want to do is place it on your fabric and draw a circular line around it. This is something I've already done before. As you can see, that's a circular line around it. What you should also do is draw the rectangle lines at the side of the back ends. The next step would be to take your seam ripper and just gently poke small incisions through it. After doing that, you then take your tailor's awl and just press right through to get just a little bit of a incision. You can see that I've got two holes. The next step will be to take the male part of your magnetic snap and insert it through like so. Now you have the prongs coming right out. You then add the back end like so and pretty much fold out like so. So that's the first part attached, and you can see right here. Okay, I'm going to repeat exactly the same process for the body of the bag, turning the incisions on the prong or the back ends upwards. Okay, so you could just see my friendly face. There you go. And you take your seam ripper and literally just make a little bit of an incision through, gentle incisions. That's just on the rectangle lines, and you take your tailor's awl and you poke right through. Now I'm taking the female part of my magnetic snap and I'm just going to insert that into the bag. Try that again. If you're not able to push it through, I suggest you just make further incisions like so. Just gonna put that right through again. Gently push. And here are the prongs. Then you put your back in. and you just push right out. Okay, and that's the finished piece. That's your female part on the front side of your bag, and that's the male part on the front, the bottom part of your flap. That will be the lining part, right side of the lining fabric. So you just place that together, and there you go. Thank you for watching.